Contrast sensitivity and visual acuity before and after NDR capsulotomy in patients with posterior capsular opacification. Contrast sensitivity refers to the measurement of the difference in luminance of two areas not separated by definite borders. Disruption of contrast sensitivity is more disturbing to the patient than disruption of visual acuity. Many diseases and conditions may be associated with a high visual acuity, but the patient may still complain of flat or misty vision. Posterior capsular opacification is the most common complication of extracapsular cataract extraction, and patients with PCO have been found to have a lower contrast sensitivity, which may improve by laser capsulotomy. Studies correlating the grade of PCO and CS are few in number. The aim of this study was to compare the contrast sensitivity and visual acuity before and after NDR capsulotomy in patients with PCO. Objectives: to determine the contrast sensitivity in patients with PCO before and after NDR capsulotomy using Pelly-Robson chart, determine the visual acuity of patients with PCO before and after NDR capsulotomy using Snellen's chart, to assess the improvement in visual performance by comparing both CS and visual acuity of patients before and after NDR capsulotomy, and to assess the correlation between grade of PCO and the deterioration of vision and contrast sensitivity. This was a hospital-based prospective observational study conducted over 6 months, and source of data were all patients who underwent uncomplicated cataract extraction at Acharya Vinoba Bhave Rural Hospital and now presented to the hospital with PCO after taking inclusion and exclusion criteria into consideration. Inclusion criteria were patients who underwent cataract extraction now presenting with PCO at the IOPD. Exclusion criteria included patients with media opacities not suitable for capsulotomy, patients with disc or macular pathologies, patients with vitreoretinal diseases affecting vision, and patients not giving valid consent. A comprehensive ophthalmic examination was carried out for all participants, and all participants were subjected to contrast sensitivity testing using Pelly-Robson chart. The degree of PCO was determined using the slit lamp technique described by Selman and Lindstrom. The capsulotomy is performed by applying punctures in a cruciate pattern to create an adequately sized central opening in the posterior capsule. Patients were reassessed post-procedure for evaluating contrast sensitivity, visual acuity, and any complications after a 4-week period. These are my results. As we can see in the first table, maximum number of patients belong to the age group of 41 to 50 years. That is 10 patients, and out of the 35 patients evaluated, 21 patients were males and 14 patients were females, indicating a higher male preponderance. In the second table, we can see that more than half the patients, that is 60% of the patients in the study group, presented with grade 4 PCO, while grade 1 PCO was only seen in one patient, accounting for 2.9% of the study group. Here we can see that patients with grade 3 and 4 of PCO were found to have a contrast sensitivity in the range of 0.60 to 1.05, while a single patient presented with a contrast sensitivity in the range of 1.20 to 1.65 with a highly significant p-value. There was no significant correlation between post-laser contrast sensitivity and grade of PCO, as can be seen in the second table, where 7 patients were seen in both ranges from 1.20 to 1.65 and more than 1.65. Before capsulotomy, maximum patients presented with a visual acuity in the range of 618 to 624, followed by 31.43% patients in the range of 636 to 660. And 4 cases with a visual acuity less than 660. The visual acuity improved in 62.86% of the cases in the range between 6.9 and 6.12 after NDR capsulotomy. In the second table, before capsulotomy, majority of the patients, that is 68.5%, had a contrast sensitivity between 0 to 0.45 log units, while after capsulotomy, the majority of patients had contrast sensitivity between 1.80 to 2.5 log units. Patients with PCO find it more difficult to perform daily tasks when contrast sensitivity is compromised as compared to visual acuity. Therefore, a better understanding of the effect of NDR capsulotomy, the most cost-effective means of treating PCO, on these visual parameters is important. Magno BV et al. Measured the visual functions before and after capsulotomy in 24 patients, while 92% had a post-laser acuity of 20/32 or better, with 54% showing at least 20/20 acuity. Likewise, in our present study, the visual acuity improved in 62.86% of the cases in the range between 6.9 to 6.12. The improvement in visual performance after NDI capsulotomy was highly significant with a p-value of 0.0003. Cheng CY et al. Reported an improvement in contrast sensitivity in patients with both types of PCO in 29 patients. Another study with Wang J et al. Measured contrast sensitivity in 67 cases before and after capsulotomy and found contrast sensitivity improved in all cases. This resounds very well with our present study where we had a similar result. The present study did not take into consideration the qualitative component of PCO, which can further add to understanding of the effect of PCO on contrast sensitivity. Future research in this field should aim to employ better techniques to grade PCO, such as retroillumination photography. PCO adversely affects the visual performance of patients in terms of reduction of contrast sensitivity and visual acuity. After NDI capsulotomy, both parameters improved significantly. These are my references. Thank you.